Good day and welcome to the Beginners channel. I want to show us a solution to one problem which so many persons have been experiencing, which is talking about installing CapCut video editor in desktop devices. You find out that when you download the app from the CapCut site and you're trying to install, it just gets stuck. Maybe sometimes it counts to up to like 13% and you go back to 0 and just like that, and before you know, you're wasting time doing nothing. So here is the solution. When you come to Google and you type CapCut installation, rather than coming to the CapCut website, go down to where you see up to down. So you go to up to down and click. So when you get to the up to down, this is the up to down website. You just click get latest version. So immediately you click get latest version, you take you here where you can click download. So you click download and it start downloading for you. So when you are done with your download, you go to your normal download folder and install the CapCut app like every other app. So when you are done installing the app, come to your Windows button, because you can now see CapCut here as a new app. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly drop a comment in the comment section and also subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss out on our subsequent videos.